How to hide apps on iPhone. There are various ways you can hide apps on iPhone. We are going to cover some of them in this video. How to hide individual apps on iPhone. For example, I want to hide camera on my iPhone. Just tap the apps you want to hide, for example, and hold for a few seconds. It comes out like this. Tap on remove apps, then tap on remove from the home screen. Doing this will take away that particular apps from the home screen. So that is how to hide apps, individual apps from an iPhone. The next thing is how to hide a page, an app page on an iPhone. Let's take a look at this one you see on the screen. I want to hide the entire apps on this iPhone. Come to the home screen and tap any free space like this. Then tap on the dot you see at the base of the screen. Bring to this interface, then check out this, then tap on done. Doing this, you see that the first page has been removed from this. That is how to hide the entire page on iPhone with your apps. Now to restore it, tap and hold a few seconds from the free space, then tap on the three dot again. Then you have the page, tap on it, then tap on done. You can see that the page will be restored in a moment. That is how to do that within a very short time. That's how to hide a page on iPhone. Then how to hide apps from library on your iPhone. This can be done in a few seconds. Tap on the settings button. Once tap on the settings button, go to screen time and tap on it. Once tap on screen time, then locate and tap on content and privacy restriction. Tap on it. Once tap on content and privacy restriction, locate and tap on allow apps and feature button. Tap on it. Now it comes out like this. Just tap on each of these apps you want to hide from the iPhone. Just tap on them like this. You see that by toggle off this button, this app will be hidden from your phone. Let's go and see that Safari and the other device or the other apps I've selected has been hidden on my phone. So to bring them back live, just come back to the place and tap on them again. Provide your passcode. If you have one, then they will come back to life. So that is the simple process on how to hide apps on your iPhone. Another way to hide apps on your iPhone is to hide downloaded apps on your iPhone. To add downloaded apps on your iPhone, this can be done in a very simple way. For example, if you have any of these apps on your device, most especially the social media app like Instagram, Facebook, and you see that it's of age restricted apps. So let's take a look at this. You can see that this app is 12 age and plus. So anybody that is below 12 age will not be able to use this app. And you want to hide this app on your device, it's very simple. So go to the settings button, tap on the settings button again, then go ahead and tap on the screen time, then go to contents and privacy restriction, tap on it, then go to App Store, media, web and game, tap on it. Now that I've done that, then locate and tap on apps. You see apps plus 18, tap on it. Once tap on apps, it comes out like this. Go ahead and tap on this arrow at the front of 18. You can see if you tap on 4, it means anybody that is less than 4 years will not be able to access these apps. And if they try and access the app on my phone, you can see that these apps has been hidden. You see the Telegram is hidden, the Google is hidden, the YouTube Studio is hidden, Google Chrome is hidden. So all these apps now, they are hidden, they cannot be accessible. Even if you try and tap on it, it will not be accessible. So to enable this, go to the same place again, tap on it and tap on this unrestricted, or you tap on 18 years plus, then all the apps on your device will be active again. So that is all the same process, guys, on how to hide apps on your iPhone. If you enjoyed this tip and if you're not subscribed, please subscribe for more updates like this.